innovative kids channel.
Excuse me, do you know where I can find the pasta?
Hi. Yes, it's right over there, next to the rice.
Oh, I see it now. Thanks a lot.
No problem. I am Alice, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Alice. I am Emily.
Nice to meet you too, Emily. Are you new here?
Yes, I just moved to the neighborhood. This is my first time shopping here.
Welcome to the area. How are you finding it so far?
It's great. Everyone has been really friendly.
That's good to hear. What brings you here today?
Just picking up some essentials. How about you?
Same here. I like to do my grocery shopping on weekends.
Do you have a favorite grocery item?
I love fresh fruits, especially strawberries. What about you?
I am a big fan of pasta. Do you cook often?
Yes, I enjoy cooking. How about you?
I do too. I like trying out new recipes. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making lasagna.
Do you bake as well?
Yes, I love baking cookies. Do you bake?
Not much, but I would like to learn. Do you have any tips?
Start with simple recipes and be patient. It's fun once you get the hang of it.
Thanks for the advice. Do you have a favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake. What's yours?
Tiramisu. Do you enjoy trying new foods?
Yes, I love experimenting with different cuisines. Do you?
Absolutely. What's your favorite cuisine?
I really like Italian food. How about you?
I love Japanese food. Do you eat out often?
Sometimes, but I prefer cooking at home. Do you eat out often?
Occasionally, but I also like to cook. Do you have a favorite restaurant?
There's a great Italian place nearby called La Bella. Do you have a favorite?
I haven't, but I heard Sushi House is good. Do you like sushi?
Yes, I do. It's one of my favorites. Do you have any dietary restrictions?
No, I eat pretty much everything. Do you?
I am lactose intolerant, so I avoid dairy. Do you like to drink coffee or tea?
I love coffee. How about you?
I prefer tea. Do you have a favorite type of coffee?
I like cappuccino. Do you have a favorite tea?
Green tea. Do you shop here often?
I plan to. Do you have any tips for shopping here?
Try to come early in the morning to avoid the crowds. Do you use a shopping list?
Yes, it helps me stay organized. Do you use one?
Always. It makes shopping easier. Do you prefer to shop alone or with someone?
Yes, I enjoy discovering new items. Do you?
I do. It keeps things interesting. Do you use coupons?
Sometimes, if I find good deals. Do you?
Yes, I love saving money with coupons. Do you like to shop for fresh produce?
Yes, fresh produce is the best. Do you have a favorite vegetable?
I love spinach. What's yours?
I like broccoli. Do you buy organic products?
Sometimes, especially for fruits and vegetables. Do you?
Yes, I try to buy organic when I can. Do you prefer shopping in big supermarkets or small stores?
I like small stores for their personal touch. How about you?
I prefer big supermarkets for the variety. Do you like shopping for groceries online?
I have tried it, but I prefer going to the store. Do you shop online?
Occasionally, but I also like picking out my own groceries. Do you plan your meals ahead?
Yes, it helps me stay organized. Do you meal prep?
I like savory snacks. Do you buy a lot of frozen food?
Not much. I prefer fresh food. Do you buy frozen food?
I like granola bars. Do you prefer sweet or savory snacks?
I prefer sweet snacks. How about you?
Sometimes, for convenience. Do you like to make your own sauces?
Yes, homemade sauces are the best. Do you make your own?
Yes, I enjoy making pasta sauce. Do you like to shop for spices?
Yes, I love trying different spices. Do you have a favorite spice?
I like basil. What's yours?
I love cinnamon. Do you buy bread or bake your own?
I usually buy it. Do you bake your own bread?
Sometimes. Freshly baked bread is wonderful. Do you have a favorite bakery?
Not yet, but I am looking for one. Do you recommend any?
Yes, Baker's Delight is great. Do you like shopping for dairy products?
Yes, I enjoy trying different cheeses. Do you?
I do, but I have to be careful because of my lactose intolerance. Do you like to buy snacks?
Yes, I always have snacks at home. Do you?
Yes, I keep a variety of snacks. Do you like to shop for seafood?
Yes, I love seafood. Do you?
I do, especially salmon. Do you like to buy in bulk?
Yes, it saves money. Do you?
Sometimes, for non-perishable items. Do you like to shop for cleaning products?
Yes, I try to. Do you bring your own shopping bags?
Yes, it's more eco-friendly. Do you?
Always. It's good for the environment. Do you like shopping for drinks?
Yes, I like trying new beverages. Do you?
Yes, especially different juices. Do you shop for pet food?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. What's your cat's name?
Her name is Rosie. What's your dog's name?
His name is Max. It was really nice talking to you, Alice. Thanks for the shopping tips.
It was nice talking to you too, Emily. Let's keep in touch.
Definitely. Have a great day.
You too. See you around.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.